Oh guys, it's your boy Coleman T here. We out here with the boy Javier, the boy Skinny Penis, and the boy Drew, and the boy Aiden down there. And we're gonna be going into this tunnel right here, bro. Haunted tunnel, V2.
Getting my phone.
Nah, bro, let me go in front.
Alright. Oh yeah, because you have the camera.
Yeah.
Light up here.
First sketchy drop. Yo, light it up so I can get on camera. There's the end.
Can you even see it on the camera?
Nah, bro, I need you all to shine your light. Just shine your light up here.
Oh shit. Oh, that's it.
Oh shit. Yo, let me go in front.
Oh, dude, here's the basketball.
Yo, there's the basketball.
Oh.
We threw a basketball.
Pick it up and roll it down.
Oh, it smells so bad in here. Yo, we just threw the basketball. Okay, let me go front.
Coleman, use this. Watch out when you come in the front.
Oh, bro, this is so nasty.
So many times, it's really not that cool.
I know, bro, we've done this like 5 times. Bro, I need to pull.
Go left.
No, we're not going left this time.
We're going the same way as last.
Ow, I just hit my head on that. I didn't even see that.
This bitch empty. Oh, this is like all shit. This is empty. Dude, it's getting so waterlogged.
Waterlogged?
Yeah.
Okay, bro, this is kind of boring.
That's us saying go left.
I know, bro, but I don't. This is boring for the vlog.
No, it's like shit.
Bro, the vlog's gotta be interesting, you know? Okay, bro, we're in a square tunnel right now. Or so, whatever. 16 and all. What the fuck? You hear that? Face road, dude. Yo.
Yeah, I heard that. What is that?
Dude, oh my god. Do it, bro. Left or right?
Left, dude.
Right.
Left, and then if we
You
can't
know
go
where
down,
right goes.
I know, bro, but left is like way
Remember we
more.
went left last time that drop. We don't. What if left
you
takes
can't
us
get
somewhere
down.
else?
And there's more water this time than last time than when we went.
Yeah.
To that.
Yeah, bro, and plus it's that big old drop.
You guys are such babies.
Okay, bro, I'll do whatever.
Alright, come on.
Place
Be in
one.
the corner and stay right.
Well, I'm not. It's not about being scared, bro. It's just about having common sense and not breaking your neck. Look at this.
Oh, that's sketchy shit.
I told you, bro.
Yeah, no, that's way more sketcy because you, like, how you.
Bro, look how
down
deep that is.
Yeah, no, that's so deep.
Bro, I told you.
No, I'm not doing that. That's so deep.
Watch out. Let me see it. Let me see.
No, bro.
It's so
Drew, you've already seen it before. You want to try that, bro? Drew, you've already seen this.
You can get down.
This kid's so
Yeah, but dude, that's all water. I'm gonna land in that.
Yeah, no, I'm not doing
You're
that
not gonna land in it.
Yes, you would.
Oh my god, no you wouldn't. You could literally just
Watch
go
those
around
fall
this.
off.
You can literally go around it and get onto that bar.
No, fuck
Okay,
that.
do it.
Let's just go the other
Yeah,
way.
go.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, look, there's light right there. What does that tell you?
It's an entrance, you know, but like,
Bro. So are we gonna do it or turn back to the
No,
other tunnel?
that's dumb as fuck.
you can definitely do it.
Okay, I'll do it. But how deep is it? Here, take this. Yo, Drew, take this.
That is so
Do it right hand. Yo, give me something to throw down there.
Oh my god.
Dude, you gotta
Are you
film
doing it or
Javier
not?
go
Are
down.
you guys gonna do
Yeah,
it
I'll
or
do that.
you're
Wait, I'll do that next. You gotta film me and Javier doing it.
Come on, watch out. Like, this is actually like getting really hot down here.
It is hot, bro.
There's like no air, but it's also kind of cool. So
Alright, go.
Okay, bro, I don't know how much of my backpack through here.
go down.
You can pass to me.
I got to go down.
Did you already go down?
Bro, it looks actually like legit.
Don't drop it, bro.
Like, yo, what's up, guys?
Bro, if you drop that shit, you're fucked. That's nasty water.
That's like poop or something like that.
Poop or something like that.
Like, oh,
Yo, you gotta film it, Drew.
Coleman's gonna fall.
Fell.
it's like poop or piss.
Coleman's done.
Hold on 1 second, wait for me.
Bro, I could
How
like,
did you make it through there so
all
easy?
day. It's like, yo, guys, let's go.
Yeah, you see how far down that
Yeah,
step
that's.
is?
Oh,
Javier's tall. I'm not fucking tall.
I'm feeling
I
hungry.
can see the bottom.
Yeah, it's not deep.
It's not that deep.
Chase, you can come if you want.
Yo, shit, I'm gonna get up here real quick.
Oh, shit, go.
Look at, I told you.
Go up there.
I am.
I want to go up there.
How are you gonna?
Alright, come down, guys.
Yo, this is dope.
If
Bro.
you want to pass me the camera, you
Wait,
can.
what is it? Aiden, go.
No, don't pass me the camera. Okay, pass me the camera. Yo, film me getting down.
Alright,
Yo, how are...
let's get it, boys.
Yo, don't step on the fucking.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, come on.
Here I go. Here we go.
Oh, shit.
I don't see anything.
Yeah. You see what's down there?
Dude,
Yeah.
What's in that tunnel?
oh my god, my backpack.
Does the water thin? That's
Yeah,
a
it's pretty thin, maybe 2
Bro,
to
where
3
does this
inches.
take us to?
The entrance out, because it connects
Yo,
to
there's the other tunnel right here.
See if you can get back up.
We can go through there. There's the tunnel.
Yo, we could definitely go. If we were on our stomachs.
Come on, dude, don't be a baby.
I said
I want to see you guys get
Alright,
that
Yo,
up.
how deep is this?
Not
Yeah,
deep.
dude,
See
how
right
can we
here,
get
it's-
it back up?
It's stone. You step onto this and then you can step around. And
Or we
you
can
can push this open. Right.
How are you gonna get down? Someone
Alright,
hold my
dude.
backpack.
Alright. Grab it.
Dude, please don't let it touch the water.
Alright, boys. Go around.
Yo,
Who are we getting down?
film me getting down. This is Drew. Bro, I don't know what I'm
You
gonna
have to
do.
start entering into the
Here,
tunnel.
hold up. Here, film that. Dude, take this real quick. I gotta
That's
set
gonna
it.
draw.
Alright, go.
You're bad.
Let's get it, boys.
Ready for this Tarzan swing?
Oh! Let's get it, boys. Alright, come on.
There's a bar right here.
Don't drop this. Come on.
I see my backpack now.
Got it.
Bro, I swear if I drop that.
Right.
Oh my gosh. Yo, look, there's a
Set
ball.
down
So
some rocks.
sketchy.
Grab some rocks and set it into the water. Just don't drop them though.
Hold on.
Yo,
It's
that's
gonna
a
make a huge
splash.
splash. Just drop it and start stepping.
Oh, dude, it
Oh,
just
that's not
splashed.
deep at all.
Yeah, it's.
It just splashed
Okay,
on
now
me,
you have
dude.
stepping stools.
Oh my god, that's deep. Look.
Holy crap!
Just go anyway,
No!
No, you Spider-Man. No, you
Bro,
Spider-Man.
get the light on that.
It goes the whole way.
Use this. This one goes further. Goes further.
Oh, you never brought a light.
Bro, I should have brought
Bro, look at that. Look how deep that
It can
is.
go all the way, yeah.
Bro, it gets a little skinnier. So she said, but it does.
Alright, Drew, move. We have to get out of them before they can get down.
Dude, step on there.
Oh, definitely.
Choose the
I put my head down a little bit.
Bro, I did like bend my whole back.
I put my head down a little bit.
But this is the easy part. I say that and I slip.
Same with
And...
Aiden. Aiden, I got you. You kind of same thing. Yeah, his is actually down.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, here comes this part. It gets out.
Just hit his head. There goes Drew standing.
Fell into my eye.
Does this look like standing to you, boy? So dumb. Oh my.
Oh, I'm all soaking wet now.
Go down here. Aiden just hit his head. Just walk on the sand.
No, bro, sand.
Sand. It's like going sand in Colorado. There's no beaches.
Oh, fuck.
Dude, it's so hot here.
Oh my god, it's so hot.
Hey.
We finally broke out.
Oh, it's so hot.
I mean, just like Ellie broke over.
Oh, here's my phone. Trade. Let's chase this one. Hold this.
We in the fucking desert, mate.
Boy, we've broken out, boys. Oi.
I need to watch this.
Boy in LA.
Oi! Oi, mateys!
We've broken out of prison
Oi!
after 50 years, mate.
30 years out of prison. We're on the dry desert land. Now let's just go check it out here real quick. Let's check it out right here. Yo, check it out. What's this place called again? What field is this?
This is the Australian desert.
What field is this?
The Australian desert.
Bro, look at this. What field is this called?
That one's miners. I don't know.
This one is right next to mine. Forgot. what you guys want to do now?
Let's head back to school.
School? And do?
I need to get my skateboard.
I know, let's go head back.
Okay, well, we're gonna head back to school and get our skateboards. What should I do to outro, like the thing?
Did you stop it?
No. Should I? Okay, here we go. Watch out! Yo, we're uploading daily because the last clip I got didn't work. We're uploading daily. So yeah, that means 7 days a week, bro. All day, every day for 1 week.
Bro, it's 8 days a week. Get it fucking right.
Yeah, well, okay. Okay. 8 days a week. Okay, but yeah.
Alright, yo guys.
Vlogging in school, vlogging in Miss Crow's class, vlogging whenever. Bro, yeah, dude, like and subscribe, bro. Make sure to go tell your friends about me.
Comment what's your favorite part about the last video we did.
Yeah, bro, comment your favorite part, comment the cringiness, comment
Like this
whatever.
video, subscribe if you're new, and it ain't my fault.
Yep, okay. Vlogging, bro. We'll see you guys when we get back to the school. We hitting up the school. He just hit his head on there. What's happening? Oh, it's just keeping close to that. Nah, or not. Miss Crow.
Are you taking pictures?
No, yeah, I'm taking pictures. Picture. Yeah, we gotta go get our skateboards.
From where?
Our lockers. I'm supposed to take pictures of this for photography. Good. What are we doing? Just taking some pictures for photography class.
Yeah?
Ooh, nice one.
This job, bro.
Gun is so cool.
I know, dude. Look here,
360, I see it.
I'll show you.
Got him.
Bam, right there. My job's right there.
Where?
Right here. I hung it up.
You're done?
No, I still have to write like.
It's actually.
I'm like, what are you gonna do on Monday and Tuesday if you're done?
I know I have to.
He actually did work.
Yeah, I did work the whole time. I didn't even talk at all. But I have to like.
That's good. I heard Aiden and Julian were a little talker.
Yeah, they were.
You goofed around with Mr. Morgan.
But I didn't.
Aiden.
I just.
Aiden.
Coleman actually did work.
Yeah, I actually did work.
Did stuff.
Wait,
How far did you get?
when does it do?
So Tuesday.
Tuesday. I thought
This,
it was
no, we're just.
I know,
It's
you're
not video.
recording.
It's not videoing.
You're such a liar.
We're doing a day in the life. We're doing a
This
day in the life video. Okay, well, I still have to write like.
is the day in the life of teaching math. Just grade papers.
That's mine. Hype.
I used to have Mr. 2 last semester. You know.
Wait,
Those were the good old days.
Actually, dude.
Those were the good old days, boy. Back in my day.
Okay, bye.
I had Mr. 2 last semester.
What's Gucci?
What's Gucci?
Hold on. Oh! Focus.
First try.
It's not focusing. First try. First
How'd you
try.
get scissors?
What?
Miss Crow.
Where is it? Where are they? Scissors first try.
I'm gonna get it down. Does Miss Crow have any,
Nah, bro. Scissors aren't gonna get out of there.
how many Jolly Ranchers?
No. Not yet. Not yet. When I say go. This kid about to throw his phone in there again. Part 2. Go. Part 2. Yo, I hit that pole.
No, it's mine. Oh shit.
Yo, did you actually fuck it up?
I'm showing you.
Oh shit.
Here, do it again, one more time. But don't fuck it up.
No, it actually fucked up.
Oh shit. Let me see it.
Yo, shit.
Let me see it.
It's just cracked.
Not yet. Not yet, when I say go. This kid about to throw his phone in there again. Part 2, go. Part 2. Yo, I hit that pole.
No, it's mine. Oh shit.
Yo, did you actually fuck it up?
I'm just showing you.
Oh shit.
Here, do it again, one more time. Don't fuck it up.
Oh no, it actually fucked up.
Oh shit. Let me see it, let me see it.
Yo, shit.
Let me see it.
It's just cracked.
Hey, alright guys, peace out. That's it for the vlog. If you guys could hit that like button and subscribe, that'd be greatly appreciated. Make sure to comment your favorite part of the vid, and stay tuned for next week. Coleman's gonna be uploading daily. So yeah, if you guys could hit that like button and subscribe, that'd be greatly appreciated.
Peace.